Are you ready to expand your business and tap into the vast U.S. market? Setupline is here to help you every step of the way. Imagine the possibilities of establishing your presence in the United States. With Setupline, you can make that dream a reality. Forming an LLC is a crucial first step. We streamline the process, ensuring a smooth and legal setup for your business, offering asset protection. An employer identification number, or EIN, is your business's tax ID. It's essential for all your business operations, including banking. A registered agent is vital for legal compliance, ensuring all official communications are handled properly. Establish a professional presence with a U.S. address, crucial for credibility and operational efficiency. We'll guide you through the Beneficial Ownership Information, or BOI, report, ensuring compliance with new regulations. For wholesale businesses, a resale certificate can provide tax exemptions on purchases intended for resale. Our expert consultations help you navigate U.S. tax laws and strategically plan your finances. Ready to go global? Start with Setupline and unlock your business's full potential in the U.S. market.